In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Mailerlite with Squarespace. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Mailerlite website. Log into your Mailerlite account using your own account details. Make sure you are signing into the correct workspace or account, especially if you manage more than one business or website. Once you are logged in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully. This is the main area where you manage your email marketing tools, including subscribers, forms, automations, and integrations. Now that you are inside Mailerlite, look at the main menu. Depending on your screen size and the layout of your account, the menu may appear on the left side of the dashboard or in another clearly visible navigation area. From here, you want to find the section called Integrations. This is where Mailerlite keeps the tools that allow it to connect with other platforms. Click on Integrations to open the list of available apps and services that can be linked to your Mailerlite account. Once the Integrations page opens, you will see different platforms that Mailerlite can work with. Take a moment to look through the available options, or use the search function if one is available. You are looking for Squarespace. This is the integration that allows your Squarespace website and your Mailerlite account to share subscriber information. When you find Squarespace in the list, click Use. This tells Mailerlite that you want to begin setting up that specific connection. After selecting Use, Mailerlite will take you to the Squarespace integration setup page. This page is where the connection process begins. Look for the button that says Connect to Squarespace. Click that button to continue. At this point, you may be redirected to Squarespace, so you can sign in to your Squarespace account. Use your own Squarespace login information. If you are already signed in, you may be taken directly to the permission screen instead. Make sure you are using the Squarespace account that owns or manages the website you want to connect. Once you have signed in to Squarespace, the next screen will ask you to grant Mailerlite permission to access certain data from your Squarespace account. This permission is required for the integration to work correctly. Mailerlite needs access so it can sync subscriber information between Squarespace and your selected Mailerlite group. Review the permission request carefully, and when you are ready, approve or authorize the connection. This step confirms that Squarespace is allowed to communicate with Mailerlite. After you grant permission, you should be redirected back to Mailerlite, or you should see the integration setup continue. The next part is choosing where new subscribers should be stored inside Mailerlite. Mailerlite organizes contacts into subscriber groups, so you will need to select the target subscriber group for syncing. This is the group that will receive subscribers coming from your Squarespace connection. Choose the group that best matches your purpose, such as a website sign-up group, newsletter group, or customer list, depending on how you have organized your Mailerlite account. Take a moment to confirm that the selected subscriber group is the one you want to use. This matters because it helps keep your email list organized from the start. When your groups are set up clearly, it is much easier to send the right emails to the right audience later. Once the target group is selected, the connection between Mailerlite and Squarespace is ready to sync according to the settings provided during the integration process. At this point, you have logged into Mailerlite, opened the integration section, selected Squarespace, connected your Squarespace account, granted the required permissions, and chosen the subscriber group for syncing. Your Squarespace site can now work together with Mailerlite, so subscriber data goes into the group you selected. That covers everything you need to know.